Hello guys, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Mega Mastodon. And it's going to be hard, because I've just got it for Christmas. I can't open it. And we've got it open now. So, yeah, let's get it out. Box! There. One. The main body of the Mega Mastodon. Box is empty now. And here's what everything is packed into apart from the actual thing. So, scissors again. And we've got it open. The guards for the cylinder, which is here, that I've got to put together. The handles, so I've got to figure out which side I need it on. I'm right-handed, so I've got to have it like that. You clip it in. Well, I've got to clip it in like so. Got it done. Alright, after that, I'm going to add this in last, because it's going to be harder to get these on. Alright, time to put these on. Alright. Grab a part, insert it like that. Oh! Then this one. This is hard. I'm gonna need some help doing this.
Live.
I had a little help with it, but we've got it in now, and I don't know why they need tactical rails for this. Alright, now I've got to add these guards on it, with the dust, which is very easy because it's just a clip. There we go. And I've got to get it on the other side. And it's in. Final set, final thing to go in is what you can rest it on. Other way round. And that's it set up. Now we've got the bandolier, which is in here. So, got Zip one there, one up front, like that. Maybe it doesn't come with one that store starts. That's it all built up, but now we gotta add the batteries. This garden is 8 strides long, which is like 30 odd feet up. So we've got 60 batteries in it, which is why it runs off. Got 24 rounds in it, and gonna shoot at the gate. I'm Heavy from TF2. If anybody's played that, I respect you. Is there anyone else? Nope. Empty. This gun, if you're strong, is good, but it's tail heavy. That's why the bandolier is here to help. And overall, I think it's an awesome room clearing blaster, but if you it's not practical for a nerf war. You would just have to empty it and just ditch it, because you wouldn't be able to carry it on your body the whole nerf war. So I do like it, but honestly, something this big should be way more powerful, because it's not. I've been shot with it and it's not as powerful as the Springer that they've made. So I like the Springers more than this, and that's just my opinion. This is MJ Lowell 334 signing off. Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year.